Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'll show you how you can enable this option with a simple code. So let's do this. Here you can see that I do not have internet option is not showing here. Now to enable this option, press Shift plus F10 from your keyboard and you will see this command prompt page. Now type OOBE/BYPASSNRO and press enter. After that your computer will restart automatically. After restarting your computer, again you need to select your country and your keyboard layout, and finally on the connection page you'll see that I do not have internet option is enabled. So friends, in this way you can enable this option, and I hope you can do this. Beside this, I hope you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. If you have any question, then please comment below. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.